Jump Ahead is a YouTube Premium feature that lets you get to the content that matters the most to you faster. To use Jump Ahead, double tap on the right side of your screen if you're on a mobile device, or press the right arrow or L on your keyboard if you're on the web. After that, you should see the Jump Ahead button, like this one, appear in the video player. Try pressing it now and see how it works. And if you didn't press it, that's fine. You can wait here with me. And we're back. So how did we get to this point of the video? Jump Ahead uses watch data and AI to fast forward you to where most viewers typically skip ahead to. If you jump too far ahead, you can just use the scrubber or double tap on the left side of the video player to rewind. Keep in mind that the Jump Ahead button won't be available on all YouTube videos. This may be due to several factors, such as there not being enough watch data. Thanks for watching and give it a try.